My name is Steven Vincent. About 3 years ago, I got sick really badly, and I went to see many doctors, and they couldn't figure out why and why I was getting sick and why it was getting worse. And so I did some research on my own. So I did more research about tubes and all that, and it came with some hyperbaric pressure. And so I check online to see if there's anything around Montreal. And here there was a place. And so I contacted them, took an appointment, asked them if I needed a referral from a doctor. They said, no, and it cost so much. And I said, okay, I'll take my first appointment. And since my first appointment, many symptoms started going away. And I started feeling much better after one treatment itself. And I came as many times as I could, uh, um, and it started going well afterward. And I'm still coming from time to time to get the treatment, and not as much as I started, but I come on a regular basis, so I still have the symptoms I when I got sick. So I still come for treatment from time to time. The people that work here, they treated me with respect and listened to me, and they explained to me the cost, how long it would take. I think when they started, they also weren't sure how much pressure it would take, and didn't want to make me even more sicker. So they went slowly, and then every time I came, they wrote down the information that was going to help me, and until the pressure was the perfect point where it doesn't hurt me, and that was then people here, I got to know them, they got to know me. So it was just a question of picking an appointment, coming, and they would say to me, go down there, they're waiting for you. And Nick, Lisa, no problem there. I would even, what I like about Lisa, when I would call her for an appointment, since my work is on a daily basis, I don't know what time I'm working, what time I finish, and all that. Lisa said, I'll give you the appointment. If there's any problem, call me, leave me a message, and I'll cancel it without any cost. I was so happy about that. She was able to be flexible on my work schedule so I don't miss work and I can still get the treatment out.